The future has always fascinated us, but today, it's no longer just a dream. Technology is advancing at an exponential rate, reshaping how we live, work, and even think. From artificial intelligence to space colonization, the next decade will redefine what it means to be human. Today, we'll explore 10 revolutionary technologies that will change humanity forever by the year 2035. 1. Artificial general intelligence. For decades, we've built machines that can play chess, drive cars, and answer questions. But artificial general intelligence, or AGI, aims to go far beyond that. It's the dream of creating a machine that can understand, learn, and think just like a human being. By 2035, experts predict we'll reach a tipping point. AGI systems will be designing new drugs, writing complex software, and creating breathtaking art, all without human intervention. Demis Hassabis once said, "Artificial general intelligence could be the last invention humanity ever needs to make." It's a bold vision, one filled with both incredible hope and significant risk. 2. Quantum computing. Today's supercomputers are powerful, but they're still limited by the rules of classical physics. Quantum computing changes everything. Instead of bits that store information as a simple 0 or 1, quantum bits, or qubits, can exist in multiple states at once. This means a quantum computer can process an unimaginable amount of data simultaneously. By 2035, companies like IBM, Google, and D-Wave expect to achieve what is known as quantum advantage, solving problems that are simply impossible for any traditional computer. From accurately predicting climate change to creating unbreakable cryptography, quantum computing could transform entire industries overnight. As physicist Michio Kaku puts it, quantum computers are the engines of discovery for the 21st century. 3. Neural interfaces. Imagine controlling a computer with your thoughts. That's not science fiction anymore. Neural interfaces, brain-to-computer connections, are already being tested. Elon Musk's company Neuralink has successfully demonstrated monkeys playing video games, using only their minds. By 2035, these interfaces could help paralyzed people walk again, restore vision to the blind, and even allow direct communication between humans and machines. But this technology also raises profound ethical questions. If our brains are connected to the internet, where do we draw the line between human and machine? 4. Fusion energy. For nearly a century, scientists have dreamed of replicating the power of the sun right here on Earth. Fusion energy, the process of merging atomic nuclei, could provide limitless, clean energy. In 2022, researchers at the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory achieved a major breakthrough: net energy gain for the very first time, producing more energy than the reaction consumed. By 2035, commercial fusion reactors could be powering entire cities with zero carbon emissions and no long-lived radioactive waste. As physicist Stephen Cowley said, "Fusion is the holy grail of energy, and we're finally within reach." 5. Space colonization. Humanity's journey beyond Earth is accelerating. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are building reusable rockets, making space travel cheaper and safer. NASA's Artemis program is planning to establish a permanent base on the moon by the early 2030s. And by 2035, we may see the first human settlements on Mars. We're not just talking about astronauts anymore, but engineers, scientists, and even families. Space colonization could mark the beginning of humanity's greatest adventure, becoming a multi-planetary species. As Carl Sagan once said, all civilizations become either spacefaring or extinct. 6. Advanced robotics. Robots are no longer confined to factory floors. They're learning to walk, talk, and collaborate with humans. By 2035, humanoid robots will handle construction, elder care, disaster response, and even companionship. Boston Dynamics and Tesla are already pushing the boundaries of robotic design. These machines could take over dangerous or repetitive jobs, allowing humans to focus on creativity and exploration. But this shift will also redefine labor, ethics, and the meaning of work itself. 7. Genetic engineer. In 2012, A technology called CRISPR changed everything. It gave scientists the power to edit DNA, the code of life, with precision. Since then, we've cured genetic blindness, improved crops, and even reversed some forms of aging in mice. By 2035, we may see gene therapies for Alzheimer's, cancer, and inherited diseases. But we'll also face tough moral questions. Should we enhance intelligence? Extend lifespan? Design our own children? As Jennifer Doudna, the inventor of CRISPR, warned, we're entering a world where we can rewrite the story of evolution itself. 8. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology operates at the scale of atoms, 1,000,000 times smaller than a single grain of sand. By 2035, nanobots could be swimming through our bloodstream, repairing cells and destroying viruses. They could be cleaning pollution from our oceans and rebuilding damaged ecosystems. Some researchers even envision smart nanomaterials that can adapt and heal themselves. Imagine buildings that repair their own cracks, or clothes that change color and temperature automatically. The line between biology and technology will blur even further. 9. The Metaverse 2.0. The first version of the Metaverse didn't quite live up to the hype, but the next generation, powered by AI, and brain-computer interfaces, could succeed where it stumbled. By 2035, we may live in hybrid realities, where physical and digital worlds seamlessly blend. You'll attend concerts on Mars, take classes in ancient Rome, or work inside a virtual office, indistinguishable from reality. The metaverse won't replace the real world. It will extend it. 10. Artificial worlds and Dyson spheres. In the farthest reaches of engineering lies one of the most ambitious ideas ever conceived. The Dyson sphere, a colossal structure built around a star to capture its energy output. While it may sound like science fiction, prototypes of orbital habitats, like O'Neill cylinders, are already being designed. By 2035, we may begin constructing artificial worlds powered entirely by the sun. Humanity's reach will extend beyond planets to engineering entire ecosystems in space. 10 technologies. 1 decade. A future beyond imagination. Each breakthrough brings us closer to solving humanity's biggest challenges and confronting new ones we've never faced before. The choices we make today will shape the destiny of our species. As Arthur C. Clarke said, any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. Welcome to that magic. Welcome to Neuroverse.